Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install CapCut on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So once you're on your phone, you need to locate your Play Store and go ahead and open up the Play Store there, and within the search at the top, just simple type in CapCut, right? You'll find the CapCut there and you'll find the application. It says CapCut Video Editor. You want to go ahead and install that. So tap on install and allow it a moment to install the application for you. It's 136 megabytes, but it will install very fast. As you can see there, it downloaded and it is now installing. Now once it is done, you can go ahead and you can open the CapCut app from here within the Play Store, or you can find the application on your phone, right? And from here you can open the application, and as you can see here, the CapCut is working. I'll agree and continue, and here we are within the CapCut video editor. You can also allow or deny notifications. I don't want it right now, but that's how you can easily go ahead and install CapCut on your Android or Samsung phone, guys.